Okay, wife called me, said her 2014 Dodge Durango RT AC quit working. And you can hear it working in the back right now, but it definitely is not working in the front. It's on, but nothing. So came out here. Dirty. Searching around, I noticed that this fuse right here is blowing. I didn't even look it up. It just kind of, you can see the burnt on it. So assume that's it. And that one is right there. Where are we? F13. So if you look at F13, HVAC blower motor. I'm pretty sure that's our problem. Hold on. Ran to the parts store. Got the new 40 amp fuse. Let's go check it out. Fingers crossed. Oh yes, we have air again. The wife's gonna be so happy. And it's cold. Yeah, it was 97 yesterday. She was not too happy it quit working, so she's gonna be pretty happy. I'm happy. It was just a fuse, $6 fuse at O'Reilly's is where I got it. There you go. I hope this helps, so you don't have to do a lot of searching. If your back AC is working in your 2014 Durango, plus or minus years probably, but the front blower is not, check that fuse. I bet it's it.